A scaled-down replica of the Great Wall of China, built on the foothills of the Xiaolong by Xiaolong Rural Municipality, has been gathering tourists in recent times. In the Tamang language, Shai means 100 and Lung means hillocks, as one can view 108 hillocks in this area has always been an attraction for tourists. Adding to the attraction, the rural municipality has now built a replica of the Great Wall of China. The local body initially had prepared a detailed project report for the construction of the 950-meter Great Wall from Kalapani to Dafedunga, but only 500 meters have been constructed.
धेरै नै आनन्द अब हामीलाई चाहिँ एउटा सपना नै थियो यहाँ आउने अनि त्यसपछि अब नयाँ मिनी ग्रेट वाल भनेर जुन बनिरहेको थियो त्यो पनि हेर्ने इच्छा अनि अब यो 100 वटा थुम्का हेरौँ भनेर हामी पहिलेदेखिको चाहना 2-3 वर्ष अगाडिदेखिको अनि त्यसको लागि चाहिँ अहिले मिलाएर सकभर यो हरियाली भएकै बेलामा चाहिँ आउँ भनेर हामी आको
Xiaolong, a center of attraction for tourists due to its natural scenery and beauty, has been attracting tourists in large number. As per the official figures, the number of tourists visiting the area is increasing for meditation, study, research and exploration. As per the information provided by Sanjeev Neopani, the Chief Administrative Officer of Xiaolong Rural Municipality, significant number of tourists are seen on Fridays, Saturdays and holidays. Approximately 20,000 individuals visited the Great Wall on Nepali New Year Day in April this year.
यो लोकल टुरिज्म को लागि चाहिँ स्थानीय निकायले जे गर्यो यहाँको स्थानीय सरकारले जे गर्यो त्यो चाहिँ म त्यसलाई चाहिँ एकदम सराहनीय नै मान्छु सैलुङ आफैमा एउटा पर्यटकीय स्थल थियो सैलुङ भनेर आउनेहरू यसै आउँथे यहाँ अब मिनी ग्रेट वाल भनेर थपेपछि त्यो उही सुनमा सुगन्ध भने जस्तै त्यो पर्यटनलाई अझ बढी बढाउने चाहिँ एउटा काम चाहिँ त्यसले गर्छ
The new tourist attraction was developed through joint funding from the federal government's Ministry of Culture, Tourism and Civil Aviation and the Xiaolong Rural Municipality. Tourists are required to walk along the half-kilometer stretch of the Great Wall to experience what the horizon looks like to reach Xiaolong, which lies at the border of Dholakaha and Ramechhap with an elevation of 3,200 meters above sea level.